Coloring Coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists! I have a magical riddle for you today. Can you guess what we're going to draw and color together? Here are some clues. She lives in a castle, sometimes wears a crown, often has a beautiful gown, and in fairy tales she goes to grand balls or even talks to animals. Did you guess it? That's right, we're bringing a princess to life on our page today. Let's start imagining how our princess will look. Think about her face with bright, kind eyes and a warm smile. Add a flowing dress with lots of beautiful details, maybe sparkly gems or swirly patterns. Don't forget her crown. It can be big and fancy or small and simple. It's all up to you. And of course, she needs elegant hair that you can make long curly, short, or even rainbow colored if you'd like. Remember, there are no limits when it comes to your creativity. Here's something fun. Did you know that the idea of princesses in stories goes back hundreds of years? In fairy tales? Princesses often go on exciting adventures, face challenges, and show kindness and bravery. And in real history, some princesses were explorers, artists, or even inventors. Princess Elizabeth of Hungary, for example, was famous for helping the poor. Isn't that amazing? As you color, think about what makes your princess unique. Will she have a gown as blue as the ocean, as green as a meadow, or as golden as the sun? Or maybe she'll have a dress with stripes, polka dots, or even
Black.
stars. Your imagination is the key. If you like the video and want to see more videos like this, share and subscribe. That way, you won't miss any of our creative adventures. Bermuda pink. Here's another fun fact. In fairy tales, animals often help princesses. Some talk to birds, some ride horses, and some even befriend magical creatures like unicorns or dragons. You could add a little bird on her shoulder, a cat curled at her feet, or even a dragon flying in the background. Doesn't that make your drawing extra special? As you add colors, think about the details. Her jewelry, her shoes, maybe a magical wand, or even a book of spells, if she's a princess who loves learning. And don't forget the setting. Is she standing in a castle hall, dancing in a forest, or maybe on a balcony watching the stars? You can color the background however you want to tell your princess's story. Did you know that the word princess comes from Latin and means the first? That's why in stories, princesses often take the lead in adventures. And in different cultures, princesses are represented in all kinds of ways. Some wear kimonos in Japan, some wear elaborate jewelry in India, and others wear gowns with embroidery in Europe. You could even design your princess inspired by one of these cultures. Let's make this interactive. What color are you choosing for the crown? Shiny gold, sparkling silver,
Blue.
or maybe even rainbow? And what about the gown? Are you going for classic pink or something totally unexpected like neon green or fiery red? There's no wrong answer because it's your creation. Another magical fact, the most expensive real crown jewels in the world are decorated with diamonds, emeralds, and rubies that sparkle under the light. But your princess's crown can be filled with whatever colors you like, even purple hearts or glittery swirls. Take your time filling in every detail, and if you want, add accessories. Maybe she has a necklace with a magical gem, or a sash that shows she's a leader in her kingdom. Your creativity can make this princess unlike any other. All right, little artists, our time together is coming to an end, but your coloring adventure can continue as long as you want. Remember, every princess you create has her own story, and today you gave life to yours with colors, imagination, and fun. If you liked the video, come back again and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next videos. We'll keep drawing amazing things together. Who knows what our next adventure will be? Until then, keep coloring, keep imagining, and I'll see you next time.
Coloring coloriendo.